Now I know I said crescent dough, but the store didn't have any on stock, so I had to settle on these flaky jumbo biscuits. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to open up that tube. Alright, here's one of them biscuits. Now I'm just going to flatten it out flat, and we'll take it from there. Just like that. Now, we're going to take one of them BANQUET breaded patties, and we're going to put it right on top. Now, go ahead and put as little or as much of the Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce on top of your patty. Spread it out. What we would do next is either put some blue cheese, which is traditional to use with a buffalo wing, but we're playing a little play on it, and you can sit there and go with provolone cheese or whatever cheese of your preferences. Well, my honey doesn't like blue cheese, so we're just gonna go with the 3 cheese blend and put that on top of his. And there's 3 cheese blend on top of our BANQUET chicken patty. Now I'm gonna get another biscuit, and we're gonna do what we did in the very beginning, and we're gonna spread it out so it tops the chicken patty. Now I have a fork here, and we're just gonna seal up the 2 buns together. And there we go. Now I'm just gonna do this to the rest of my buffalo and the blankets. There we go. We have our buffaloes in the blanket, and they're ready to go into a preheated 350-degree oven for roughly about 8 to 10 minutes, or until lightly golden brown. There's the buffalo and blankets, and it's quite appropriate because my husband, he is watching the movie White Buffalo with Charles Bronson. Bon appetit, everybody. Now, what I have in this little container right here is just simply homemade ranch dressing. You can go ahead and use the bottled ranch dressing, but I make my own. Okay, I cut them in half. That's what it looks like on the inside. Like I said, go ahead, dip it into the ranch dressing, and bon appetit. Mmm, that is really tasty.